this body is a mathematical concept, an idea. See, स्पेशल थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अगर मैं कहूं तो कहूंगा कि दिस बॉडी इज एन इनर्शियल फ्रेम. क्या है ये? इनर्शियल फ्रेम. इफ दिस बॉडी moves with a certain velocity, all concept of relativity theory, time dilation, length contraction, increase in mass, everything will happen to the body. So the body is also subjected to the laws of physics. The body is subjected to the laws of physics. Now when you say that the speed of light is constant with respect to all inertial frame, ये ठीक बात है ना? Speed of light is constant with respect to all inertial frame. If you raise this question, what is the position of observer in the universe? It is difficult to determine the position, because the body is considered as the inertial frame whose motion is also observable for the observer who is observing constancy in the speed of light. At the same time, this body is considered to be the part of the experiment. वो जो डबल स्लिट एक्सपेरिमेंट है ना, उस डबल स्लिट एक्सपेरिमेंट में इलेक्ट्रॉन गन, स्क्रीन, डिटेक्टर के अलावा दो एक्सपेरिमेंटर जो है, दैट एक्सपेरिमेंटर इज आल्सो ए पार्ट ऑफ द एक्सपेरिमेंट. क्यों? क्योंकि एक्सपेरिमेंट की एब्सेंस से इलेक्ट्रॉन का बिहेवियर चेंज हो जाता है. So the experimenter should also be considered as a part of the experiment. अब यदि आप बॉडी को एक्सपेरिमेंट का पार्ट मान लेंगे तो फिर क्या बचेगा? फिर बचेगा प्योर ऑब्जर्वर, फिर बचेगी प्योर कॉन्शियसनेस. दैट मीन्स Schrödinger is telling that you people means all physicists must differentiate himself from the body. As long as you are identifying yourself with the body, you will never be able to understand the idea of quantum mechanics, that without an observer there is no reality. And everything is observable in the body.